it's good ukuthi uMpumelelo afambule enze yonke lento eniyibona.
Yeah.
At least lo wami umfana niyakhuluma ngaye niyambona. It's good ukuthi wenza lama mistake. Ngikhona nguyise ukumtshela ukuthi but yazi lana bengafanele wena. Yes bekufanele awenze ngikhona. Angangilindi ngize ngihambe kuyima wenza. I-age imvumela ukuthi enze kanjalo. By the time efika ku 25 30 uzobe sephunekile eseba mashort enough ukuthi sesingakwazi ukuhamba indlela. So kwamanje mina I'm happy ngokuthi wenza ama mistakes because ukwazi ukuthi menza lama mistake ngibuye ngihlale naye phansi ukuthi yazi kodwa bengafanele wenze kanje.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Brief. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash that like button. Mzansi comes for Musa Mseleku for standing up for his son. Umpumelelo Mseleku saying it's a good thing to when mistakes asakhona, and people were like ayibo ngetingane tabu bani ayibo uyomethisa ngakibanda ayibo uyothakhula bese kana ngakubantwana. People were just streaking ngoMusa Mseleku for indlela khulume ngakhona basho ukuthi akanamfundiso vele futhi eyena eyabamsuli futhi naye nokuthi akhulume ngale ndlela, because that's also how he behaves, how he lives, how he treats women. Yonkosi yami wazi washa. Please subscribe, share this video. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.